Welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas and Vloggamus. Yeah, the one job a day challenge. Oh my god! So today is snowflake making day. It is. I've already made one. Do you want to see? Ta-da! Yay! Woohoo! Now, there are lots of videos out there showing you how to make these. Lots. Some of them will tell you use 5 bags, some of them 7 bags, some of them 9 bags. That there is 11 bags. And if I hadn't used 11 bags, it wouldn't have gone round in a full circle. So before you start cutting anything, when you're doing your gluing, open up the bags first to see if they're going to fit to go all the way around before you do anything. Otherwise, you're going to have to be cutting the same pattern halfway through on the new lots of bags, on the extras. Now, it is possible. It's just a pain in the bum. I'm just saying. Ask me how I know. Yeah. I had to add bits to that one. Now, Bam will be round later. He wants to make some snowflakes too, because I want to turn that back wall into snowflake heaven. Tanny's not pleased. I don't care. That's the joy of this. I don't care. I really don't. This is my space. I get to decorate it however I want. So I'm gonna have a snowstorm. Okay, so I just finished this second one. And what I did was on the sides, alright, just on here, I've put a piece of strip of cardboard, which is a bit of old cut up toilet roll, right? And I've put splitting it that way, and on this side, splitting it that way. Now, we're going to see what this is going to turn out like together, because I don't have a clue what it's going to look like. How cool is that? Now, what you do with these pieces of cardboard is you get those two there together like that, and you slide them together like so, and then they stick together. Hey! This just needs a bit of sorting out around the sides. Ooh. I love making these. I can't explain to you how much I love making these. I really do. I love it. Love the whole process. Very zen. Something I really adore doing. Oh, is that one stuck as well? Alright. Well, it'll be fine. Once it's hanging, we'll straighten it up a bit. That's pretty cool, hey? It's pretty simple, really, isn't it? Pretty simple, really. I'm quite excited by that. Yay! Alright. Let's put it back down again, because Tanny said, because I've just been on the phone with Tanny, we can put these up on the weekend. He's very excited by it, and he even said they might have a crack at making some himself. How cool is that? He's very tired at the moment because he's working very long hours. Now this one here, I've done that. That's a very basic pattern on the side. That's it. That's all it is. It's not that difficult. And if you look after them properly, you've got them for next year. You know? That's pretty good, eh? You just got to look after them properly. Right. I'm going to go. Let's go make some more thingamajiggies. So this is my job for today. It's my one job for today. And I've had a lot of fun doing it. I'm going to keep doing it. And you'll just have to look at Instagram for the pictures. Because, you know, you will. I'm going to keep going. I've got a whole load of bags. I've probably got enough for maybe 2 or 3 more. Hey! And then I've got a ream of paper over there to do the foldy uppy ones. So going to go have some fun. Have a really good one, guys. What did you get up to today? What was your one thing? Let me know below in the comments. Love you guys heaps. Mwah!